Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you MacBook Shortcuts Guide, everything you need to work faster on macOS. If you want to work faster on your MacBook, learning keyboard shortcuts is one of the easiest ways to improve your productivity. To get started, open Launchpad from the dock at the bottom of your screen. This will display all the applications currently installed on your Mac. Next, click the App Store icon to open Apple's official app marketplace. Once the App Store loads, you'll arrive on the Discover page, where you can browse productivity apps, utilities, and tools designed to help you get more done in less time. If you're interested in finding apps that improve your workflow, click the search bar on the left side and enter the name of the app you'd like to explore. For example, you can type shortcuts to find apps and tools related to automation and productivity. Now, let's look at some useful MacBook shortcuts you should know. Press Command+C to copy selected content and Command+V to paste it. Use Command+Z to undo a recent action and Command+A to select everything in the current window. If you want to switch between open apps quickly, press Command+Tab. You can also press Command+Space to instantly open Spotlight Search and find apps, files, and settings. These shortcuts can help you save time throughout the day and make navigating macOS much easier. The more you use them, the more natural they will become, allowing you to complete tasks faster without constantly reaching for your mouse or trackpad. If you discover an app that can improve your workflow, click the Get button beside it and confirm the installation with your Apple ID if prompted. Once installed, the app will appear in Launchpad and be ready to use. Quick tip: practice a few keyboard shortcuts every day until they become part of your normal workflow. So, there you go, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.